Thinking of starting a publishing business in Singapore? With strong demand for books, digital content, and educational materials, Singapore is a strategic hub for publishing in Asia. First, define your publishing focus. Will you publish books, magazines, educational content, digital publications, or self-publishing services? Your content type will affect production costs, distribution channels, and intellectual property management. Next, register your business with ACRA. Most publishing companies choose a private limited company to enhance credibility, protect intellectual property, and support regional expansion. Intellectual property and content compliance are essential. Ensure proper copyright management, author agreements, and licensing rights. Depending on your content, you may need to comply with IMDA guidelines and content classification requirements. Distribution planning is also key. Decide whether you will sell through bookstores, online platforms, subscriptions, or direct-to-consumer channels. Strong marketing and rights management can help you scale your reach. Finally, set up proper accounting, tax compliance, and royalty management systems. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support publishing businesses with company incorporation, compliance advisory, and ongoing accounting and tax services. Visit our website to start your publishing business in Singapore with confidence.